Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change theme or background in Google Chrome and Windows. If you're using Google Chrome and your PC or laptop using Windows, so let's see how can you easily change your Chrome background or themes. You just have to simply open your Chrome browser, and in Chrome you just have to try to update your Chrome. You just have to make sure that your browser is up to date. So now to check that, just tap on the three dots at the top right, scroll down, select settings, and then select about Chrome from here, and you just have to make sure that you haven't any pending update for your Chrome. If you have, it will automatically update itself. So you just have to open a new tab here, just select customize Chrome, and from here we can change your theme. It might be device theme, your light theme, or a dark theme which you want to. So let's have a select device from here, so it will automatically change your theme using my device theme. So now you want to select background or appearance. Just select appearance from here, and you must see different backgrounds. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Just select anyone. You can also enable this toggle to refresh it daily. So once I've enabled, it will automatically refresh your background daily. So your background will be changed on daily basis. So you can also change its upper corner color from here. Just select any color which you want to, and it will change the whole theme of your browser. So in this way, you can easily change theme of your browser and Windows. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.